Okay, so this is the ECU Monkey Part 3 video. Like I have said in the second video, there's gonna be part 2, part 2, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. These videos are for people who are absent or miss a day and they need to get it done while they're absent and they don't know about it. Because this is for a final grade, you guys need to do this flip grid, these flip grids to get graded appropriately on your ECU Monkey because we're ending it this semester, okay? So the part 3 is kind of like part 1 and part 2, where you're doing the A section twice, but instead of going into the second instrument, you're going to go to the A section twice and then go into the third instrument of section B. You're doing this, okay? Just the green, just this one, okay? And you're repeating it twice. So da-da-da, 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 repeat. Section B, third instrument, da-da-da, repeat, da-da-da. Then you're gonna go back to A, do it once, da-da-da, da-da-da. Like I've said in the first video, for part 2, you need to have the claps and stomps every time you do section A. And it's your job to remember what we do for green. Like you knew friction was for purple, you gotta remember what blue was. You have to remember what green was. I'm not gonna be helping you to remember what you're supposed to do because we've done it so many times, you should remember. So, and you should know how to say each one too. What I forgot to mention in part 2, so if you did it wrong in part 2, you're gonna have to redo it. But whenever you do the B section, you have to say it while you do it. So since we've already done part 1, which is the takadimi and friction, you were supposed to do takadimi, 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 takadimi while you're doing friction. You should be doing what ta while you do your whatever percussion we decided on at the beginning. And then you should also be saying ta and tadi, doing this one while doing what we've been doing, the body percussion that we've been doing with green, okay? So you should already know what body percussion goes with each because we've done it a lot. You have to say it while you do it. So, as a recap, for part 3, if this will work for me, give it a second. Okay, you're doing the whole video should only be one video, and trust me, I made it long enough. Part 1, we're doing part 3, section A twice, da-da-da, da-da-da, repeat, da-da-da, da-da-da, going into section B, third instrument, da-da-da, repeat, da-da-da, then back to section A once, da-da-da, da-da-da. And then you're done with part 3 video. Look at part 4 to know what to do for part 4.